Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook disabled account 2023. To know how to fix Facebook disabled account 2023, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook. Here in this page you will click force stop. After that you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.